Hi guys, welcome back. This is my Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing two saucepans I use constantly and I've owned them for over 30 years now. And in this video I'm holding my All-Clad D5 2-quart saucepan here with the lid, and I'm setting it next to my All-Clad D3 1.5 quart so you can see the size differences. My D5 2-quart here is the one I love when I'm making sauces, gravies, or anything I want to keep really steady and controlled. It has a thicker, more substantial feel, and that matters when you're whisking and watching your heat, especially with delicate sauces. And I love having the lid for simmering or keeping something warm while I finish the rest of the meal. So the easiest way to think about these is the D3 is the everyday workhorse, and the D5 is the more precision feel pan. My D3 1.5 quart is the one I honestly just grab for quick jobs. It's so easy for melting butters, warming chocolate chips, oatmeal, quick batches of little oatmeal, heating up soups, anything that doesn't need a really big pan. It heats evenly, it's lighter in the hand, and it's just really easy to live with. I love this pan. And truly, I love them both. I own a lot of pieces from this brand. I love the All-Clad brand. And these two are definitely in my constant rotation because they're practical, durable, and they make everyday cooking feel a little more elevated. Home sweet home tip. With the stainless steel, let the pan preheat for a moment, then cook with a steady heat. Once you get the feel for it, it's just such a joy to use. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.